Good morning, friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. Payments are starting to get sent out this week to many low-income U.S. households. Checks worth up to $450 have officially been approved by state officials. Other lawmakers are now considering a more targeted stimulus package that would provide checks to a smaller group of Americans. Friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to learn if you will qualify for your relief bonus. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. Please stay tuned because at the end of this video, I will be announcing the winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway.
And it's all derived from President Biden's energy policy, which is here's his energy policy: wind, solar, and wishful thinking. It's just not realistic. And among other things, it is hurting our country. It's hurting my people in Louisiana desperately because of the rise in gasoline prices. I was very disappointed to see this week that the president has changed his approach to inflation and the price of gasoline. He has said we are now in a transition period, and he said it as if that were a positive thing. He said we're in a transition, and when we get through this transition, we're going to be stronger than ever because we're not going to have to rely on fossil fuels.
For 6 months last year, parents across the U.S. received monthly checks. The expanded child tax credit, under which parents received $300 a month per kid, lasted from July to December of 2021. The program helped keep millions of children fed and out of poverty, touching 35 million families. It paused in December of last year after Republicans and Senate Democrat Joe Manchin prevented Congress from making checks permanent or simply just extending them for another year. Some U.S. states are trying to step up where Congress has failed. In the state of Vermont, a Republican governor and Democratic-led state legislature have signed off on a $1,000 child tax credit for every child aged 5 and under to all Vermont residents earning $125,000 and below. Phil Scott, the state's Republican governor, had initially proposed a wider suite of tax cuts. In a statement, Governor Scott said his proposals would have helped a broader section of taxpayers, but that this bill is a step in the right direction. The program is expected to cost $32 million and benefit over 30,000 children in the state. With this new bill, Vermont is picking up where the federal government left off. The expanded child tax credit lapsed in December of 2021 due to resistance from Republicans and Senator Manchin, who is a centrist Democrat from West Virginia. Amidst negotiations over the Build Back Better plan, Senator Manchin raised concerns over the program. He said that checks should come with a work requirement, which would cut the lowest earning families out from the relief. The expanded child tax credit program cut childhood poverty by roughly a third, and this is according to research from the Center on Poverty and Social Policy at Columbia University. In just its first month, the program helped feed 2 million U.S. children and kept 3 million kids out of poverty. But those gains were largely erased only a month after the initiative had expired in December of last year. Childhood poverty has ticked up once again. So friends, do you think that Congress needs to send out more enhanced child tax credit payments? Please let me know what they should do to help out Americans. Friends, the keyword for this video is Brooklyn Bridge. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Brooklyn Bridge, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Now, friends, if you are of an age to receive Social Security benefits, it is likely that you are not getting the overall maximum monthly payment of $4,194. To do so would require you to have worked 35 years, earning the maximum wage subject to Social Security withholding tax every year, and delayed retirement until the age of 70. According to Yahoo News, the average monthly Social Security payment check is $1,657. That's nearly $2,500 less than the $4,194 benefit ceiling. Your maximum possible 2022 Social Security benefit is dependent upon when you begin to collect payments and how much you earn during your 35 highest earning working years. As a general rule, to receive Social Security payments in retirement, a recipient must have worked and paid into the Social Security system for at least 10 years. If you choose to start receiving payments at the earliest allowable age of 62, your maximum possible payment is $2,364 per month. The maximum increases to $3,345 at age 66. At age 70, you could receive the maximum amount of benefits, which is nearly $4,200. Designed as a supplemental to pension and retirement savings, Social Security currently replaces about 40% of the average American's retirement income. 4 in 10 Americans have the monthly payment as their only source of income in retirement. And according to many advocacy groups, many senior citizens are struggling financially due to this crisis. This has led to many seniors to urge lawmakers in Congress to approve a boosted $200 monthly benefit increase. So, friends, what are your thoughts on this? Why do you think it's taking Congress so long to approve this benefit? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my magnificent friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I truly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Marcellus Roberts. Congratulations, my friend. If I have announced you as the winner, please check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Remember, if you would like to enter the giveaways, simply click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you so much, dear friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.